Do you know the right way to water your plants for their optimal growth? It's not always as simple as pouring water into the pot. The method can differ depending on the plant type and environment. Stay tuned to learn how to water your plants effectively. Every plant is unique, with its own set of watering requirements. Some flourish in moist environments, while others thrive in drier soils. Overwatering can drown roots, causing rot, while underwatering can leave your plant parched and struggling. It's all about balance, folks, and understanding your particular plant's needs. That's right. The philodendron in your living room and the succulent on your windowsill have different watering schedules. So remember, the key to a happy plant is a well-understood plant. Know your plant, know its needs. Now that we understand our plant's needs, let's dive into the correct way to water. Start with watering in the morning, when evaporation is low and the water has ample time to seep into the soil. Always check the soil before watering. It should be dry up to an inch deep. Lastly, ensure proper drainage because no plant likes waterlogged roots. The golden rule is to mimic the natural watering process of the plant's native environment. Remember, the goal is to mimic the natural watering process of the plant's native environment. Watering might seem simple, but doing it right can make a big difference to your plants. Remember, understanding your plant's needs and watering correctly are key. So put these tips into practice in your own green spaces. Did you find these tips helpful? Then give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gardening wisdom.